The next thing I want to do is, when I was ill, when I had the relapse, I said a lot of things about a lot of people because I've been reflecting and watching back all the stuff that I went on with, all the things that I said, and I'm not pleased. I don't feel good about it at all. Even though I was here, even though I was myself, I still don't feel good about it. I still feel some type of way, and I just want to apologize, publicly apologize to all the people that I hurt, my family, my friends, my co-workers.
Bestie, you know, go on storybook with him. Me and the owner for storybook with him. The owner for the Riddim have to link me and we talk business. And I me own the Riddim and I just go on nobody Riddim so.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscriber, already know the thing set, we're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute up on the beat, and as you can see, on the screen. Yeah, people, dancehall artist Lisa Hyper. Whoa, it's apologizing to Vybz Kartel and her co-workers, them. You know that includes Spice. I'm assuming Vanessa Bling and all of these things and things. Put in the comment section where you think about that, because I'm not gonna lie to you, this is all an act. Because we already know what time it is. Her, issues is causing issues in dancehall and people want to stay far from it. So now you see I link up with good whole Auntie Shelly and Koran. You feel what I mean? So she's telling Lisa, for clean up her image a little bit. Listen, I say, because, she's a very talented artist and all of these, episodes really takes away from her talent. Listen, my people. So let's hear what she has to say about the situation at hand. Because, she's feeling some type of way. She's not up on the baddest rhythm. And these people like, Vanessa Bling and Shensia, they're on it. You see, my and because them never come out and disrespect Vybz Kartel and them woman and them things, them, you see me?
The next thing I want to do is, when I was ill, when I had the relapse, I said a lot of things about a lot of people because I've been reflecting and watching back all the stuff that I went on with, all the things that I said, and I'm not pleased. I don't feel good about it at all. Even though I was here, even though I was myself, I still don't feel good about it. I still feel some type of way. And I just want to apologize, publicly apologize to all the people that I hurt, my family, my friends, my co-workers. Also, I want to apologize to my boss, because I know I had him crying, seeing me in that state, especially. He's here now. It's not like when he was in prison, because he has been talking about mental health for quite some time, and I now realize I am the reason for him speaking about mental health, because I didn't know he knew that I was going through what I was going through, because we didn't ever speak about it. So I know he knows everything, but because we didn't speak about it, I didn't know he knew. And he was thinking about it like that. So I just want to apologize to my boss as well. I want to apologize to my co-workers. I want to apologize to everybody that I disrespected, in that time of my illness. I also want to say big up to Richie Feelings, Footer Hype, Mr. Vegas, everybody who came out and speak of the situation, in a good light, so people could understand that it was not me, what I say. So I'm grateful for everybody who came out and speak for me. I'm grateful for all the prayers. I'm grateful, for the love that you guys sent me. And I just want to say I'm sorry. I'm sorry for letting down my fans. But I am staying on top of my illness right now. I'm taking it more seriously, and I'm looking after myself, because right now I'm in the process of, self-love. That's the process I'm in right now. self-love, you know. I'm taking care of myself. I'm staying on top of my medication. And I don't even want to cry on the live right now because I feel like crying, but I'm gonna try not to. So yeah, I just want everyone to know that I'm sorry. Yeah, I mean, you can never be too big or grown to apologize for something wrong. The fact that you're taking accountability of your actions, it speaks volume, you know. Even though a lot of things I said was true, I still wasn't myself, because if I was myself, I wouldn't even come on live. I wouldn't even click the live to say the things that I was saying. I will actually wait until I see the person I say what I say, or make a phone call and deal with it differently, you know. So Richie, if you go on YouTube, you'll see a video with Richie Feelings talking about the illness that I have. It's very serious because I was diagnosed with both bipolar and schizophrenia. You see it? I was diagnosed with both, not one. So it's more, you know, it's more serious, because when it's one, it's not fine, but when it's one, it's different than when it's two. You understand? So I just want you guys to understand that mental health is not a joke. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. Sometimes I may laugh about it, but really and truly, it's not a joke. While I was in the hospital, like, I saw a lot of people, hardworking people, doctors, going through what I was going through. So I am not ashamed. I'm not ashamed of my illness. I am not, because I know I've now come to reality that I have the illness and I just have to deal with it, you know. So I'm gonna be speaking more about mental illness. I am an advocate of mental illness, but what I'll be doing is I'll be speaking about it in a more serious light, instead of to be laughing and joking about it like it's a joke. No, it's not a joke. So I'll be speaking about it on a more serious term, you know, so you guys can understand more of that.
I'm pregnant for real, man. I come out, come tell you. Last time I come out, come tell you, say my breed not throw a blow and kill my picnic. Best day, you know, go on storybook with him. Me and the owner for storybook with him. The owner for the Riddim have to link me and we talk business. And I me own the Riddim. And I just go up and nobody Riddim. So after I not look it, I book my book for things, I not look for things. I not link nobody. Just like how them find everybody else, them can find me. Me not link no man. That me say. If I want vice, I make me engineer them, build my Riddim them, I'm a vice for myself. Me have a whole heap of engineer. You think I'm back in the days when me no know nothing? Think I'm back in the days when me no know nothing? Me have my own engineer them, we can build Riddim pan spot too. Yeah. Think me a hype up nobody, me hyping myself right now. Myself me a hype. And 1 and 2 young artists where me see have potential. I don't look for nobody. I mean, don't need nobody but God. I make me engineer them, build my Riddim them, how I want them. Simple. Or I buy one Riddim. Simple. It's easy. Like that. 1, 2, 3. Like what Alkaline say. Lisa Kartel love you, yeah, I love Kartel too. I know say I don't know the Riddim on at all. Like, honestly, like when I tell you say I'm busy, you don't really understand. I don't even know the Riddim on at all about, baby. I don't know the Riddim, I don't know none of the song them pan the Riddim. I'm in my own world. Sometimes I step out of my world and look out, but another look out time now. Me all about me right now. I'll leave me pregnant for real, man.
At the end of the day, people, you can't put your trust in a man. You know what I mean? I'm not really going to go into her situation, because you know her heart is broken. You feel me? Childhood love, all of them things they say me. But one thing I want to note, despite what these women go through with Vybz Kartel, you know what I mean? Them supposed to be the baddest set of female in the business. You see, we see all the fight Vanessa Bling get when Kartel go prison. You know what I mean? All the besties them use this Vanessa Bling. But we see Vanessa Bling take her hit song them and do the world. You know what I mean? We say Spice wasn't a part of Gaza, but a Gaza she say. And she get her hit song from Kartel. And she do the world with it. You know what I mean? And it's only Lisa Hype and Vanessa Bling. I sit down and I do nothing.
Savior, ruler, healer, you are worthy to be praised for your glory, to be praised for my story. I love you all so much. Thank you for loving reggae music. Thank you for supporting dancehall. It means a lot to me. Thank you.
Anyway, people, we're not going longer this no longer. I just want to give you an update what going on for Lisa Hyper. It look like she finally ready for putting the work. You know what I mean? Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest though. Bless.